We are very delighted to have you all for this live session, and I would just request, if you guys have any sort of questions, you can just comment below and she's all here to answer it all. Yeah?
Yes.
So welcome Parisagar to Selfie TV live session. So can you please give your brief introduction, what exactly your role is, and just a brief introduction about yourself.
In 2013, when I wanted my deep answers, like what it is that something is working, something is not working, I want to see a numerologist, and I said, okay, let me have one reading, and that numerologist read my date of birth, and she said, okay, I think so, you're going to do certain things, and I said, I don't think so, it's not going to happen in this near future. And they said, no, it's there is something you're going to do bigger. And I said, okay, what is it that in numbers that is giving so much of information? And I want to learn myself and dig out more and learn more about it. And that's how I started reading people and giving education on numbers, and that it was a long journey.
Nice, pretty interesting though.
Yeah.
And talking about your book, what exactly this book is all about and what all is featured,
Oh, this is I can say it's a basic knowledge, and it's a compact for everyone. It is like any layman can read this number and learn about themselves, learn about herself or himself or anybody can go through decode it by themselves. So it's like a self-study tool.
Why do we need numerology in life?
When you're born with your blueprint, which is your date of birth. So after that, after 6 days, 5-6 days, you get a name. And that name is given by your parents. So that is how you start your journey. So the very first thing comes your numbers. That is your date of birth. So it has a lot of information, and anybody, whosoever wants to have a numerology should try once and see how much information it is there already for yourself, and it gives a lot of satisfaction also that you're aware of certain things, that these things are possible.
And now, which number is good as per numerology?
So there is no wrong or right, there is no good or bad. It's only the thoughts which makes you feel good number or bad number of it, the numbers which works in your favor. So those numbers comes from your blueprint itself. So I would say the lucky number, the best number you should favor for, it's your date of birth.
Okay.
Date of birth. The day of birth and the date of birth. Date of birth is the life path number. So it's two numbers. So you have to choose within your karmic number and your life path number.
Do numbers have special meanings that can give insights to relationships and career?
I cannot say for the career and the relationship the same number. No, it will be a different number every time. So I have to see when I see the full chart, I can tell you that which number is favorable for your marriage or something, and which is favorable for your career.
Yeah. Now, through the number 2020, talking about that, what's your prediction on this?
Actually, this book is come in 2020. I was supposed to, my target was, okay, I will take it in 2020, but I was thinking that I may publish earlier.
Okay, yeah.
I was thinking in 2019.
Okay.
Okay, but I was having few chapters remaining where I wanted to have that flavor and that what is it that, and the books need this. What is that intuitive answers people will look for? So the 2020 just popped in.
And that's where you launched your book as well. Yeah.
Yes, and if you see that 2020 is interesting, it gives a lot of people solidity. People got very serious note. They started becoming more grounded. If you see that they started accepting the stability.
Yes,
they wanted to find the stability. I want to have that my space that where I can live the way I want. I'm not being judged by the people, but I'm not also being like, you know, harsh on people.
Yes.
So the 2020 has, people have really got everybody seeing that, you know, what it is that I have to do different. So everybody got paused.
How can numerology help us to predict the future?
It prepares you. Numerology brings the better awareness. You know, when I'm aware of what's going to happen next, I'll prepare myself. I'll prepare my bags. I'll prepare my life. You know, what am I going to do next? Or maybe people are shifting this year.
True.
People are like, you know, the grounds are moving. Okay, I'm not able to stay here. I want to stay somewhere else. Maybe they are going back home.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a readiness. People are trying to bring the stability, you know, being the family together. So the 4 number is all about getting together, and it's a master number. If I say 2020, if I just remove the 00, the more of openness, like, you know, the possibilities are many. But if I add on to the 2 and 2, it becomes 4, and 4 is like in more of grounding. So the possibilities are there. They want their own grounds, and you know, it is for the youth, I would say. Yeah.
And just before we sign off, can you just tell about your book, that what exactly your book is all about and where they can find us, and if anybody is interested to know more about you or to like, you know, have a session with you, like how they can get in touch with you, if you can feel free to like share your information on this.
Yeah, I have an Instagram called Heal to Empower. You will find the links of the book. You can find, even in the website, you'll find the links. So even if you Google about it, the Heal to Empower, the numerology, self-discovery through numbers, you will find everything. It's available in Amazon, it's available in Barnes & Noble, then Kobo, you can get it ebook, and it is available everywhere. So you can even find it out. If you have checked out and if you have read this book, you should also write the review about it, so I can get to know that you have appreciated, and I will be happy.